Hello everyone. So today I have a new collection from Echo Park, guys, and this is so cute. Yeah, it's just so cute. So we're gonna go through the pieces. It's available now on my website. I'll leave all the details down below, and we're gonna jump right in. So this is New Day by Echo Park. I've got the adhesive brad, the ephemera, the frames and tags, 6x6, 12x12, and some chipboard pieces. So these are so gorgeous. So I'm going to jump in straight away with the adhesive brads, guys. These are super cute. Is there a glare? Oh, there we go. These are super cute. They are adhesive, because I know Brad used to have a pin in the back so that you can poke a hole through your project, but I think that was a bit annoying for some people, and so now they've just made them adhesive. You get these beautiful images, like you've got bumblebee, you've got a plaid, a sun, rainbow, and then you have these pearl adhesive brads, and then you have some bigger ones down here. And then you start to have some floral, you've got some more plaid, you've got the diamantes, and then you have these chipboard pieces right down at the bottom with the camera, some boba tea. This one says, I've got sunshine, hello beautiful spring. It's so, I would say springy, if that's a word. It's unbelievable. It's just too cute, guys. And then I also have the ephemera and the frames and tags. Unless you want me to, I won't take out all the pieces, guys, because they have a lot of pieces in each one. This one has 33 pieces. This one has 33 pieces as well. Beautiful. This is so up my street with the colouring, with the... let's look at the frames and tags first. You get some beautiful phrases. You are my sunshine. You've got thrive, home sweet home, grown with love. This is a bit challenging for me. I don't have my glasses on, guys. When it rains, look for rainbows, and then just some beautiful frame pieces. So those are the bits that come in the frames and tag package. And then we also have, oh, I'll leave it like that, then I think you can still have a look. Then you also have the lovely ephemera pieces. Is it focusing? Yeah. You got bloom where you're planted, you make me melt. You've got some banner pieces here that say shine. You've got some, this one says happiness, plant the seeds of love and kindness. It's just really lovely and floral. I'm so happy. I don't know about you guys, I'm so happy that it's spring. I like autumn. I love spring because it's just when you can start to get out. The days are getting no more dark days, of the sun going down early, and of the and waking up in darkness. No more. It's going to be lovely. I can't wait. And it's actually really nice right now. These are the chipboard phrase pieces. So you get lots of lovely sayings here. It says, let's go to the farmer's market. You shine perfect. Let love grow. You got a macaroon here, which says yum. Just chill. Feeling bubbly. Sunshine, green grass, blue skies. Beautiful dreamer. One day you will look back and see all along you were blooming. Oh, that's so lovely. Oh, I love this one, guys. This one's, as I said, is so up my street. Then we also got 6x6 paper pad. So I'll go through the 12x12 paper pad for you guys. I won't open this one. I'll go through the 12x12 because it's the same papers, but just, I believe, the pattern shrunk down so that it's more better for things like card making and tags. You know, the patterns are smaller. So this is the 6x6. You get 24 double-sided papers, £65 cardstock, so good for layering and things like that. And it's just gorgeous. So let's come to the 12x12. So guys, this is the 12x12 New Day paper kit collection, I should say, because you do get that sticker sheet and as it shows on the front page, you get quite a few cut aparts. I just love it. It's got this new paper pad smell. So let's dive in. So that was the top sheet. And then the first sheet is these lovely bright and breezy cut aparts, guys. So I'm looking at this, guys, and it's absolutely gorgeous. It's limited stock on my website at the moment, guys. I'm going to try and see if I can get some more if people are interested. So if you do get to the website and it's sold out, message me and I'll see if I can get my hands on some more stock before it sells out at the wholesalers. So this one is the cut apart sheet. It says, "Oh happy day, live life in full bloom. No matter how long the winter, spring is sure to follow." Then you have some lovely macaroons down here. "Living the sweet life. Honeybees and flowers, please." And then we've got some sort of like a journaling little card there. And then these are the last cut aparts there. And then on the back sheet we have some trio of flowers. Let's put it here. There we go. Trio of flowers, and absolutely gorgeous there. The next sheet is that gorgeous pattern of flowers, bright yellows, orange, pinks and purples. And then on the back we have some pink plaid there. And then we have this beautiful picture of some cameras with the honeybees buzzing around. So cute. If you are into fussy cutting, you could easily fussy cut these out and use them as pieces of ephemera. And then we also on the back have this beautiful, I think it's like a dress pattern, like a Cath Kidston. I could see Cath Kidston dress, and it is navy blue with the white little polka dots there. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous for spring. And then we've also got this larger cut apart sheet, and we've got some lovely ice creams and rainbows. Just gorgeous. And then they've actually put down the bottom, so let's start at the top so you can see everything. And then as we get down to the bottom, you'll be able to see that they have given us some faux washi strips. You can cut those and use them as washi strips or borders. Just absolutely gorgeous. And then on the back we've got some lovely bright sunshines. And then we have another sort of floral, and then with the polka dots on the navy background. And we've got some green plaid here. So it's not coming up, but it's actually a very nice, not a mint green, but a lovely light green colour. But I can see that it's not coming up on the picking it up on the camera. And then this, I think this is my favourite sheet, guys. And this is beautiful rainbows. And then we have ice creams on a pink background. And then we have the larger cut aparts. And we've got, this one says, "Bloom where you are planted. Take time to dance among the wildflowers." Just gorgeous. Very coffee shop and summer vibes, you know, sitting in a park and just enjoying time. Spring for me says car boot. I can't wait to go down a car boot. I have loads of fun going to car boots, guys. I love it. And then we've got another mint green, and this is this still plaid? But it has diagonal lines on the back of this one on the green. And then we have another floral sheet with the sage green on the back and some of that lighter green with some flowers and leaves. It's coming up quite dark. I don't know if it's because I've got my blind shut, guys, but it is, the sun is really bright outside, so my blinds are shut. The colours are coming off a little bit more darker to me than what they are in front of me. So it's a lot more lighter, guys. Some more plaid, and then we have the clouds on this side, and they are in a light blue come grey kind of colour, very light. And another cut apart, and we've got, and this one, they are square cut aparts, and I'll show you those. So we've got Hello Beautiful Friend, Bike Ride and Sunshine Vibes, What is it you plan to do with your one wild and precious life? And then we've got some more boba, and then we've got a bumblebee down here at the bottom, pretty as a picture. On the back there we have the bunting, and then we have this on some butterflies. Then we have these bumblebees on this lovely blue background, and then on the reverse, my son's come and joined me, guys, and sitting on my lap, so I only have one hand now. And then we have this yellow. Now I know definitely the yellow is coming up darker on the screen because it is a beautiful light yellow. So I don't know if I probably should have done this earlier. I thought if I adjust the blinds it might make a difference, guys. But it's just letting more light in and I can't see. So this is a lovely lemon yellow, guys, with the polka dots. And then we have some more florals in a container that has flowers written all over it, again in that rainbow pastel theme colours. And then on the back we have, I would say it's a dark pink with some lighter pink and white flowers. And then last but by no means least, we have the beautiful cut apart sheet. So these are the stickers, guys, that you get on the sheet. Ooh. I'm trying to show you the bottom, but I'm hitting the things that are just above me here. So let's try that again. And then we have the bottom, and we have some strips down there that are washi strips. So cute, so cute. I love the bobas. I haven't tried boba, but I just love the way it looks. So guys, that is the new day by Echo Park. As I said, it's available in the shops, in my shop, if you're interested. I'll leave the links below. Guys, if you like this kind of content, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and to comment down below. Tell me if you like this collection. Tell me what you like about it. And let's have a chat down below. And guys, I will see you in the next video. Bye.